2025, travel goals start here. Last year we did something crazy. We quit our jobs, sold our house, and set out to travel the world for an entire year. And let me tell you, it was one of the most life-changing experiences of my life. This year we're taking things to a whole new level. We're going to every country in Europe, all 44 of them. We'll be hiking the Himalayas, road tripping through Africa, and even taking a train from London to Moscow. Join us as we embark on this incredible journey and experience everything from the Northern Lights in Norway to the pyramids of Egypt. But it's not just about the destinations. It's about the personal growth, the challenges, and the adventures along the way. We'll be pushing ourselves to the limit, facing our fears, and discovering what we're truly capable of. Along the way, we'll be sharing our tips and tricks to help you plan your own epic adventures. So whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-timer, we've got you covered. So hit that subscribe button and join our tribe of adventurers. Together we can explore the world, discover new cultures, and make unforgettable memories. Don't forget to share this with your friends so they can start their 2025 travel goals too. The world is waiting, and we're here to help you make the most of it. Let's start planning your dream trip today. Comment below where you want to travel in 2025. And if you need some inspiration, check out our travel guides for 2023. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching and happy travels. Okay, so I have a confession to make. I am absolutely terrified to be starting this channel up again. I took a break from making videos last year because I was struggling with some personal stuff. But I'm back now and I'm excited to share my story with you guys. If you're new here, welcome. I'm a 23-year-old who quit her job to travel the world. My goal is to inspire you to travel and explore our beautiful planet. So let's get started.